Hi everyone, how are you? It's Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center, and I wanted to just quickly give you some tips on how you can compare apples to apples when you're trying to find the best rate for you. Now, it's important to note that just because a bank has a good rate doesn't mean that they're going to give that rate to you. Each bank, as I try to really pound into you guys, each rate is actually a product, and each product comes with a box. You must fit your application in that box in order to qualify for that mortgage. So for example, if your credit history isn't 2 years long, you can't fit into the box of many lenders out there. If you're self-employed needing to do stated income, you don't fit into that box for many lenders as well, because they don't offer that product. So it's important to note that rates, you can't really compare as apples to apples because you don't fully understand the prepayment options, you don't fully understand the penalties of getting out, and you don't understand whether you'll even qualify for those rates in the first place to go with that lender. So obviously my best bit of advice that I can give you to comparing apples to apples and oranges to oranges is using a mortgage broker, because we can look at all of them and tell you who you will qualify with and who you won't, and then from there choose the right product with the right prepayment options that you want, open, closed, fixed, variable, and then we can help you to compare those apples for you. But if you're wanting to look on your own, a good way is simply to go to the different banks' websites and look at something called a posted rate. A posted rate is something much higher than any rate you'll actually pay, but it is something that banks base their rates on. So you can compare posted rates to help you understand apples to apples to see who really is offering good rates compared to others. The downside, though, once again, is you only have access to really the 5 major chartered banks as well as credit unions. There's this whole plethora of 20 other virtual banks out there, like INGs of the world and such, and money that you just don't really hear of, like First Line, First National, Macquarie, Resmore, Laurentian, I could go on and on. These are all different non-banks or virtual banks that you don't have access to compare those apples. So, once again, the only way to do that is to contact a mortgage broker. Tell them what you want. They can then also tell you what they would suggest for you based on your information, your application, and your future goals for your home. And then we can sit down and actually tell you, here's the different rate options. Here's the different prepayment options. These lenders will help you pay down your mortgage faster. These ones won't, based on your situation. And that will help you to get a proper, more educated scope of what is the best rate out there for you and what is the best product out there for you. So hopefully that'll help. If you would like someone to help you compare your apples and oranges, then definitely give me a call. Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center, always happy to help, and I stare at these rates every single day, so it's really no slack off my back to just simply tell you what I know and what I stare at every day to help you out to make sure that you get the best mortgage product for your needs. So Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center, hopefully I'll be talking to you soon.